Hey, how's it going, everybody? I'm Matt here for my self-publishing blueprint. If you're brand new to the channel and you want to learn how to increase your income, create more freedom for yourself and your family, and design your ultimate lifestyle, please hit the subscribe button and turn your bell notifications on. All right, so continuing the series where I'm just kind of highlighting some student success, some hot things that have been going on inside my self-publishing blueprint. As of late, I want to bring to you David. And what's really cool is, David just started a month, it's a bit more than a month now that I filmed this, but, his post inside the group was, from his first month. And, a lot of people have been asking, how long does it take to start making money with Kindle publishing? David he joined the course, within his first month, he'd brought in about $350 so far, and it's only been going up since then. So, if you're looking at getting into a business where you can, within your first 30 days, you can start turning a profit, Kindle publishing is a phenomenal business to get into, right? Whereas there's a lot of other options out there, whether it's Amazon, FBA or Shopify or affiliate marketing, whatever the case is, but Kindle publishing has such a low barrier of entry, meaning the cost to get a book written, you can do it as low as $200 in this day and age. It's usually a little bit more, but you can turn a profit within your first 30 days. Does everybody turn a profit within their first 30 days? No, of course not, right? Because everyone's a bit different. But it can be done definitely within your first 60 days. For sure. We've even had some students, they've made their first $1,000 within their first 30 days, quite a few in their first 60, and a lot within their first 90 days there. So just really cool. You can kind of see just the breakdown. So not a ton of income yet, but he's on his way, and that's what's really, really exciting. So great work, man. And hey, if you want to learn more about Kindle publishing, hit up my selfpublishingblueprint.com. It's the most updated and relevant Kindle self-publishing course on the market today. First link in the description. Can't wait to see you guys inside.